Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cut video in Premiere Pro in less than 2 minutes. Whether you're editing your first YouTube video or trimming clips for TikTok, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Let's jump straight in. Step 1. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Then go to File, Import, or just drag your video directly into the project panel. Once it's there, drag the clip onto your timeline. Now, to cut the video, click on the razor tool in the toolbar on the left, or press the C key on your keyboard. Hover over your timeline and click exactly where you want to make the cut. That's it. Your clip is now split into 2 separate parts. You can now move, delete, or add transitions between the 2 clips. To delete a section, switch back to the Selection tool, press V, and click on the part you don't want. Hit Delete on your keyboard. Simple. Bonus tip 1. Want to make quicker edits? Press Ctrl+K, Command+K on Mac to cut at the playhead instantly without even using the razor tool. It's a great shortcut once you get used to it. And that's how you cut video in Premiere Pro, quick and easy. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more editing tips. See you in the next one.